It is the TS3 USB30 1 to 2 USB 2.0 switch. I've got a couple of USB-A connectors for port 2 and port 1. And plugged into them, I have this big fight stick here on one side, and I have this little Raspberry Pi mouse on the other side. And then I've connected a little toggle switch to the signal and ground so that I can flip between these two. This gamepad is connected and I'm receiving inputs in that browser. If I try wiggling this mouse right here or scrolling it, it doesn't do anything. So what I'm going to do now is flip this switch here, and then you'll see we lost connection to the joypad that disappeared from that browser. And now the mouse is in control. The TS3 USB30 1 to 2 USB 2.0 switch.